Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is cent, a one-level noun meaning a unit of currency equal to 1/100th of a dollar. So, what exactly is a cent? Well, it's a small unit of currency, particularly in the United States and Canada, representing 1/100th of a dollar or its equivalent in other currencies. Think of it as the smallest denomination of money you commonly encounter. You might use cents to buy small items, like a piece of candy, or to pay for a portion of a larger purchase. For instance, a candy might cost 25 cents, or you might owe 99 cents in sales tax. Let's explore some synonyms for cent. A close synonym could be penny, which in the US is physically 1 cent. For example, I found a penny on the sidewalk. Another synonym, though slightly less direct, is fraction of a dollar, as in, the item costs only a fraction of a dollar. Now, let's look at antonyms. A clear antonym for cent is dollar, representing a much larger unit of currency. For example, that book costs $10. Another antonym could be large sum of money, indicating a significantly greater amount than a cent. Consider, he donated a large sum of money to charity. So, how do we use cent in everyday life? It's incredibly common. You'll hear it in stores when prices are quoted, like this apple is 75 cents. You might use it when talking about saving money. I'm trying to save every cent I can. It also appears in common expressions. For example, I don't have a cent to my name means you're completely broke. Someone might say, he's a cent pinch, which means he's a very stingy person. Let's look at more example sentences. The gumball machine takes only 25 cents. She paid 50 cents for a sticker. These pencils are only a few cents each. I need 99 cents to pay for this app. Can you lend me a few cents? The sales tax is calculated to the nearest cent. He's counting every cent to reach his goal. She found a cent on the floor and picked it up for good luck. The price was lowered by several cents to attract more buyers. He paid for the newspaper with spare cents. Let's use the synonyms. I found a penny on the ground. That toy costs only a fraction of a dollar. Now for the antonyms. The Coke costs $30. He won a large sum of money in the lottery. To recap, a cent is a one-level noun that's a unit of currency equal to 1/100th of a dollar. Synonyms include penny and fraction of a dollar, while antonyms include dollar and large sum of money. We use cents daily in transactions, expressions, and conversations about money. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word cent helpful. And now for our call to action. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Also, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word cent and share it in the comments below. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!